Hello again, everybody. Now, this next monetization option should be high on your list. It's the Amazon affiliate program known as Amazon Associates. Now, the reason this should be so high on your list is that the conversions are very high. Now, I earned some of my first affiliate commissions as an Amazon associate. What's so good about it is that when somebody clicks an ad on your website and they get redirected to Amazon, if they make a purchase, you get paid a percentage of that purchase no matter what they buy. So they don't need to buy the actual item for the ad they clicked on from your blog. They may buy that, but they may buy something else entirely, even something in a completely different category on Amazon. And I've seen this happening many, many times. I've seen visitors click on an ad, go through to Amazon, not buy that actual item, not that actual product, but buy several other items, some high-priced items as well, and end up ordering hundreds of dollars worth of items from Amazon. And you get paid a percentage of that transaction, whatever it is, whether that transaction is $20 or $1,000, you're going to get paid a percentage of that. Now, although the percentages that you get paid per transaction are quite low, because Amazon is a known entity, has a lot of credibility, the conversions are high. They can be as high as 1 in 3. So it can be as high as 1 in 3 people that click on an ad on your website and go through to Amazon actually make a purchase. That is very high, but these are the kind of conversion rates that you can get as an Amazon associate. Now, the commissions you are paid are called advertising fees. They've always called them advertising fees, and it can be a bit confusing, but an advertising fee is actually what you get paid. That's your commission. Now, some categories have their own individual fixed commission rate of 4%, 2%, 5%, whatever, but the majority of products that fall into the general categories, for example, home and garden, kitchen, pets, baby, all this kind of thing, you're going to get paid a percentage based on the volume of transactions. So based on your number of transactions in any month. So when you first get started and your blog is quite new and you don't have a lot of traffic yet, then it's very likely you'll only be getting paid 4%. So if somebody buys something for $50, you're only going to make $2 on that. But that goes up, as you see. So as soon as you've sold 7 products, you're going to get paid 6%. Then it goes right up. And the highest you can get paid is 8.5%. Now you'd need to be doing a lot of volume for that. That's not to say it can't be done. Many people do it. Once you have an established blog and you've got a lot of traffic coming into it, then these kind of figures are possible. So let's just take a look at what you would be earning on average if there are 100 items a month being purchased through visitors on your blog clicking on your Amazon associate ads, so ads for products on Amazon, and going to Amazon and making a purchase. Let's just say there are 100 items a month being sold through your blog. And let's just say the average item price is $30. So that's $3,000 worth of transactions going through your Amazon associate account per month. And you're going to get paid 6.5% of that. So you're going to get paid almost $200 a month. Now that's just a very rough guide because I'm just taking $30 as the average price of an item. Anyhow, that's an extra couple of $100 a month that you wouldn't otherwise have. And you're not really doing very much for it. Once you sign up for your account as an Amazon associate, you'll be able to choose different types of products to advertise on your website, different categories, and you can really fine-tune it quite well and really target it to your blog audience, so to the type of visitors that are coming to your blog. And you also have lots of different tools that you can use as well. So lots of different tools that you can use to display these ads in the widgets, in the widget content areas on your blog. And there is also now the bounty program. So if somebody, when they go to Amazon from your blog, if rather than just make purchases, they also sign up for something, so that could be like an Amazon credit card or wedding services or whatever it is, because Amazon has lots of different services now as well. So if they sign up for something like that, you also get paid usually a one-time commission for that. So I do recommend that you keep Amazon near the top of your list of choices for monetization options. All right, let's go on and look at the next option for making money on your blog.